Hi and welcome to today's video. I know it has been quite a while since I posted an update on this current project, the image gallery app, but I have some good news regarding the progress. So on our previous video, I ended up showcasing flip the cropping feature where we were able to crop an image and also save the same image. And for today's video, the main features that I'll be showcasing is the flipping, where one can flip the image horizontally or vertically, and also drawing on an image. So let's go ahead. Let me show you the app. And so the app is not this big. It's the streaming software I'm using, which has scaled it to fit the whole screen. And so I'll start by explaining the minor changes. So the minor changes are here around the menu bar, this whole menu bar. And as you can see the difference from our previous video, I ended up adding some rounded corners on all edges, and we are now able to display to highlight the button depending on the display, depending on the window that is active. When we open our folders page, our folders window, our home window, you can see the button changes. So let's go into the major changes. One of the major changes, which is actually not easily noticeable unless you're running the app, is the libraries I've used. On our previous video, I was using Pillow, which is a Python image library used to load images onto Tkinter, onto our app. So I ended up changing from Pillow to OpenCV. The main reasons why I did this is because Pillow used a lot of RAM compared to OpenCV. OpenCV uses very little RAM, and OpenCV is also way faster. So by doing that, our app became more efficient, and our app now runs way faster than on the previous video. And as I mentioned, one of the major features is the flipping the images vertically or horizontally, and also drawing on the image. So a disclaimer, I'm only using this image for educational purposes only, and I mean no harm to the individuals involved. And so we'll be using this to change the color. As you can see, the color dialog pops up and you get to select the color you want. And on this other side, you get to change the pixel size. So I'll just use 10. And you could maybe start by adding some glasses. Let me add some glasses. I'm actually not good at drawing. This is the best I can do. The bezels aren't that refined, but I think with a smaller pixel size, you can actually get something way better than what I'm doing right now. And plus, I'm using my free hand, so can't expect that good of a drawing. Let me use red, add a shade of red, and paint in here. I hope it turns out well. Oh, okay. Too bad. Actually, know what I'll do? I'll just change the images here. So our tie will have a black top and the bottom will be red. So this is all purely done in Python. And we have come to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed the content. Feel free to comment, subscribe if you have not, and also let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.